Start your investing today with $100. The biggest hindrance in life is procrastination. Most of our procrastination comes from not believing in yourself. I get it. We can be our own worst enemy. But you must pull the trigger. You must be ready to lose because you will. That is part of learning anything worthwhile in life. Even with $100, you can get started investing. Check out trading platforms like Robinhood. I would lean towards investing in crypto. Read and learn as much as you can. You do not have to be a guru and an all-knowing crypto king, but just get the basics. Read on X and keep up on trends. Follow some people who are in the space that do well. Do not follow those guys selling programs. There are many out there that will help you for free. Open a Coinbase account. It is relatively cheap and does not require much. Put that $100 in your wallet. After researching crypto, then invest. Off to the races. In time you will start to learn how the market rolls. You will gain and you will lose. But that $100 can double over a short period of time. It is much better than leaving it in a bank account. Put your money to work for you.